Hello homeschoolers, good morning. For today's video, we are going to unbox the Parkwood Playschool Junior box for the month of May. Are you ready, Ines? Okay. So, previously we have tried the different activity boxes of Parkwood Playschool. Na-try na namin yung kinder, pati yung mga events nila na themed box nila for Christmas, for Halloween, for Easter, and for Mother's Day. So, lahat ng mga boxes na yun, okay na okay sa amin, okay sa mga kids, pati sa 10-year-old, nakikisali sa activities ng Parkwood Playschool. Alright. So, si Ignis, he just turned 4 years old. Wala siya naging formal lessons for homeschooling. Mostly, saling pusa siya. Ang meron lamang siya is yung activity yung busy book na ginawa ko last year. And then, kapag meron kaming sudden lessons, gusto niyang sumali, ayan, dun, yun, binibigyan ko siya. Pero wala pa siya talaga yung lessons.
Wala akong toy.
Wala akong phone toy. So, we will find later, okay? So, since he's now 4 years old, for this school year, we are planning to have a more structured lessons for him. So, nag-isip ako kung kukunin ko ba na box for Parkwood Playschool is for the pre-K, which is for 4-year-olds, or dun muna ako sa junior box kasi he just turned 4. Ilang araw ko siya pinag-isipan and I've decided to buy itong junior box nila for 2 to 3-year-olds. Meron sila kasi 3 kinds of boxes. Meron yung junior for 2 to 3-year-olds, yung pre-K for 4-year-olds, and yung kinder for 5-year-olds. Ayan. So, for the month of May, this box, I bought it for 1,800 pesos. You have the option kung gusto mong i-pick up sa school nila or kung gusto mo naman ipa-ship na lang. So, for Metro Manila, I had it shipped and I paid 200 pesos for it. Kasi konti lang naman yung difference pag pinag-grab ko siya. Okay. So, first is we have here the ice cream tower. Ayan, na gusto ni Iggs. Yes, ang gusto ni Ignis. I think this is for a bath activity. Ayan. Usually, itong box lang, pero hindi siya kasya sa loob. So, nakaiwalay siya. Ayan. Do you like it? So, while I'm looking at the other box or the main box, pabigay muna natin siya dito kay Bunso. So, he can check it out kasi it's all his. Here's your blue scoop love. Ayan. Okay. So, just give it to him. So, here is our box for Parkwood Playschool. We found it! Okay, so when we open this box, yan. So, every month, iba yung theme nila. So, for this month of May, yung junior box, the theme is about dessert. Kaya merong ice cream. Okay. We'll try later, anak. And then, here is the box. Ito yung loob niya. So, inside, you will find the list of activities na gagawin for that month. Yes, baby. What's in our May Junior box? So, nandito nakalagay ko ano yung mga activities na kailangan, ano yung mga materials. So, just in case, gusto niyo makita ko ano yung kailangan yung gamitin, andito siya.
Yung ice cream ko may jacket.
Yeah. And then, the next paper na na-appreciate ko is yung guide. Yeah, the monthly guide with all the lessons. With all the lessons. Nakalist down na kung in week, anong gagawin from Monday to Friday. So, meron dun yung for math. Yes. For the math worksheets, yung literacy worksheets, merong theme activity, learning game, and also yung fine motor activity. So, nakalagay na siya. So, inside, we have Play-Doh. Okay. Next one, we have here the arts and craft kit. So, nandito na yung sprinkles, merong yarn, merong glue, may cotton. Ano pa ba nakalagay dito? Meron siyang yan. Yung mga sprinkles.
Wow.
Yan. May paint pa siya. then salt, may marker. Yan. So, lahat ng materials nandito na. Pati yung mga colored paper. Dito na rin siya sa loob. And even the printable, ito. Yan. So, different colored papers. Let me open. Ayan. Oh, you play with ate. Oh, kunin mo yung code. Next, inside the box, we have the flour. And this is for the salt dough donut activity. Ayan, kasama siya. Nakita ko na yung salt dito kanina sa kabila. And then next, we have here more printables. We have clothespin, merong beads, merong glue, merong stabilo. Ayan, so may mga printables sa loob. So, ayan na. May mga colored paper pa sa loob siya. Okay. And then the next one, we have this bundle of printables. Ayan. So, merong laminated. Here. Merong mga laminated sheets. Okay. Ayan. Laminated sheets. This is for math. Oh, they will enjoy this. Look. Then here we have some instructions for the learning games. Yan. Pati yung paano yung recipe for the salt dough. Yung mga collage na gagawin. Nandito na yung mga instructions on how you're going to do the learning games. Yan. Then we have here a bunch of printables. Yeah, here we have some letters. Yan, mga highlighted letter for that worksheet. We have here some cutting worksheets. I think these are cutting. If not, probably tracing. Ayan. And some matching, I believe so. Yep, we have some tracing sheets and then some matching. Here, another bunch of printables. Makapal siya. Ayan, makakapal yung mga printables kasi every day meron nakalaan na worksheet for the day na gagamitin. Yan. Marami siya. Ito talaga yung gusto ko sa Parkwood Playschool kasi naka-ready na lahat ng materials and the lessons, especially for busy moms na wala nang time ayos ng mga materials or mga lessons kasi online marami ka magkukuhang free materials, free resources, pero yung how you're going to arrange it in such a way na mayroong variety. At especially for me, I'm not a crafty person. I am not artistic. Kaya malaking tulong sa akin yung mga ganito activity boxes. So that's our Parkwood Playschool Junior box for the month of May. If you'd like to see our activities and how we're going to do these activities, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @SantiagoPH kasi I share there yung mga activities na ginagawa namin, yung mga tutorials na rin. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you again for watching. Happy homeschooling. Bye-bye! Say bye, Igs! Bye!